Hectic developments. So before the swearing-in ceremony, Prime Minister Modi will be meeting his new Council of Ministers, his designated new Council of Ministers over tea at his residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg at 11:30 a.m. this morning. So in two and a half hours from now, we'll know for sure how many of them have received that much awaited phone call. Prime Minister Modi is slated to meet his new Council of Ministers who will be sworn in this evening. He will be, of course, giving them his sense of how he would like them to function, his words of advice and guidance for the new Council of Ministers. The names have now started trickling in because the official phone calls have started going out from the Prime Minister's office. Many of them, of course, were told, or it was indicated to them, that they should in fact stay on in Delhi. So TDP has confirmed that Ram Mohan Naidu and Chandrasekhar Pemasani from the TDP will be taking oath of office today along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Nitin Gadkari has confirmed, his office has confirmed that he's received a phone call. So he will be at that Chai Pe Charcha at Prime Minister's residence at 11:30 a.m. this morning. Jitin Ram Manjhi, Jayant Chaudhary, Anupriya Patel, all allies of the Bharatiya Janata Party who in fact will find place in the Union Council of Ministers. Piyush, my colleague, is tracking all those hectic developments. So the Prime Minister, Piyush, slated to meet with his designated Union Council of Ministers at 11:30 a.m. this morning at his residence over tea.
Yes, that's right, absolutely. Paulami, what we are now learning is that there will be a meeting at 11:30 a.m. at Prime Minister's residence where all leaders who will be taking votes today in the evening along with Prime Minister, they have been called. Prime Minister will be talking to them, telling them about what could be the development agenda for the next 5 years. So it's going to be first round of talks with all his colleagues who will be taking votes with him. There will be leaders from BJP, from the other allied partners like NDA, JDU, from HAM, from Chirag Paswan's party. So all NDA leaders who will be taking oath and BJP leaders who will be taking oath will be the part of this crucial first round of talks, which is also to take place at 11:30 a.m. at Prime Minister's residence. Remember that last time also in 2019, whosoever had reached at Prime Minister's residence had taken oath in the evening. I still remember that there were multiple surprises, like S. Jaishankar, he was called in at Prime Minister's residence and then he also took oath. So we can expect from a new face also to be part of Modi cabinet, and that's the way how the Modi government works. They come out with new faces, new surprises. So we can expect the new surprises also, though the leaders from allied partners have started getting calls, like Chirag Paswan and Anupriya Patel, Jayant Chaudhary, Jitin Ram Manjhi, they had all of them have got
Piyush,
calls.
in fact, just hold on for a moment. That is the breaking piece of information that we're adding right now to the news that's been trickling in from Delhi this morning. The calls going out. Chirag Paswan, the most latest to receive that phone call, that coveted phone call. He has now been invited to join the new Union Council of Ministers. Jitendra Bahadur, my colleague, breaking that first here on India Today. Joining us now, Jitendra, Chirag Paswan भी शपथ लेंगे आज शाम को.
बिल्कुल पाउलमी, चिराग पासवान को भी फोन गया हुआ है। इसके साथ ही जो दूसरे एमपीज हैं उनको भी लगातार फोन जा रहे हैं आज शाम को शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में शामिल होने के लिए। लगातार जो एमपी हैं, चाहे नितिन गडकरी हो, उनको फोन गया है। कैबिनेट के लिए राजनाथ सिंह हैं, जयंत चौधरी हैं, जीतन राम मांझी हैं। इसके साथ ही कई जो अन्य नेता हैं टीडीपी के नेताओं में उनको भी गया है फोन की वो शाम को आज शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में शामिल होंगे। उससे पहले प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने आवास पर 11:30 बजे के आसपास इन तमाम नेताओं को बुलाया है जो मंत्रिपरिषद में शामिल हो रहे हैं। तो सभी नेताओं के पास जिनको कि आज मंत्रिपरिषद में शामिल होने के लिए फोन कॉल्स जा रहे हैं, उनको प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से कहा गया है, प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय की तरफ से, कि वो आज घर पर पहुंचेंगे, वहां पर आकर के उनको चाय पर बुलाया गया है। तो ये सिलसिला जारी है, चाहे वो गठबंधन से जुड़े हुए लोग हों, जेडीयू के नेता उनको भी फोन जा रहा है। इसके साथ ही चिराग पासवान काफी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका में है इस गठबंधन में। 5 के 5 उनके सांसद जो हैं वो जीत करके आए हैं, उन्होंने पूरी तरीके से वहां पर जीत हासिल की है, तो उनको वहां पर फोन जा चुका है और ये बताया जा रहा है कि उनको मंत्रिपरिषद में शामिल होने के लिए शाम को 7:15 बजे जो कि राष्ट्रपति भवन में होगा उसके लिए फोन कॉल गया है। उससे पहले 11:30 बजे ये तमाम लोग प्रधानमंत्री आवास पर पहुंचेंगे, जहां पर चाय पर प्रधानमंत्री के साथ चर्चा ये तमाम नेता करेंगे।
जी जितेंद्र, शुक्रिया सारी जानकारी के लिए। My colleague there breaking first here on India Today that Chirag Paswan is all set to join the new Union Council of Ministers. So these are the allies who've already started receiving phone calls. TDP, Ram Mohan Naidu and Chandrasekhar Pemasani will be sworn in this evening. Also, Jayan Chaudhary of the RLD, Anupriya Patel of Apna Dal Sone Lal, as well as Jitan Ram Manchi of the Hindustan Awam Morcha. Now, Chirag Paswan, the latest to join the ranks, the chief of Lok Janshakti Party, Ram Vilas, who will be joining the Union Council of Ministers. Prime Minister Modi has invited his designate Union Council of Ministers over tea this morning at 11:30 a.m.